Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you how to install WordPress plugin into your WordPress dashboard. That's super easy. First of all, open your dashboard and then enter your credentials like username and password and then login. Once you open the dashboard, now on the sidebar you can see the plugins. Click on it and then click on add new from giving list. Here you can see all the available plugins from a WordPress store. Here are the featured plugins, and from here you can find out the popular plugins. Also you can see the recommended plugins and the favorite ones. That will show the already added plugins. Also you can search the plugins by name here if you know the name. After searching the plugin names, you would see the plugins here. For example, here is Contact Form 7, and if you want to install it, just click on the Install Now button. If you want to read the details, click on More Details button. Here you can read the details of the selected plugin. You can also see the process of installation and also have a look on the screenshots of the plugin. And then click on the Install Now button if you want to install it. If you don't want to install it from here, just click on the cross button and then click on Install Now from here. It will start the installation process and is installed. Now click on the Activate button to activate the selected plugin so that you may work on it. And yes, your plugin is activated. You can see if you would go to the plugins and install plugins, you can see all the available plugins you have already installed. Okay, we find the recently installed, that is Contact Form 7. If you want to change the setting, click on the setting button. Here, if you're not able to see the setting button, you can find it from your sidebar. For example, I have installed Contact Form 7 and it will appear here. If you're not able to find it on your sidebar, you can see it in appearance, and also you can find it in settings or tools. Actually it depends on the plugin developer that which location he selected to appear WordPress plugin or dashboard. I hope this video will be proven very helpful for you. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care.